Hey guys, I'm Lex Albrecht with Sena, and this is the brand new S1 Smart Cycling Helmet. Today, I will tell you why the S1 is so exciting and cool, and then I'll show you how to use it. This is the S1, and it's Sena's latest and greatest smart cycling helmet, and I'm really excited about it. It's the sleekest design that Sena has ever come out with, and I think it's probably like the lightest too. It's got really cool ventilation. It has a very aerodynamic shape and form, and of course, it has all of Sena's renowned communication technology integrated right inside. If you take a close look, you'll see that there's a microphone right here and speakers right here, and in the back, there are even lights. You can pair this smart helmet with your phone so that you can listen to your music, your GPS directions and hear them turn by turn, and you can even take phone calls. Maybe the coolest thing of all is that you can connect to other riders over the mesh intercom, which doesn't even require a cell phone connection. And that means that you can talk to each other while you're not even side by side, or if you are side by side, you don't have to shout over the wind noise. If you drop a friend, or if you get dropped by a friend, you guys will still feel like you're riding together because you'll be connected and the conversation will continue. So let's get into how to use the S1. When you first get your S1, it will come with a little bit of a battery charge, but to do a full charge, open up this port back here and plug in the USB-C cable that's included in the box or another one that you have at home. A full charge will take 2.5 hours, and that will give you 12 hours of talk time. If you're using other features, for example, the rear light in the solid mode, that's the most energy consuming mode, then you'll have 5.5 hours of talk time, which is still pretty good. When you're ready to turn your helmet on, press and hold the plus button and the multifunction button on the back for 1 second. The first time that you turn the S1 on, it will automatically go into phone pairing mode. The red and blue light means that it's searching for your phone. To connect your phone, go into your device's Bluetooth settings and find the S1. Once you do that, they'll connect. Once the S1 is paired with your phone, you can listen to your music by pressing the multifunction button for 1 second. To increase the volume, tap the plus button, and to decrease it, tap the minus button. If you'd like to scroll through the playlist, press and hold the plus button for 1 second for every song that you want to move forward through, and then to move backwards through your playlist, press and hold the minus button for 1 song per track. Now let's talk about how to connect to another rider. To turn the mesh intercom on, tap the multifunction button once. You'll hear mesh intercom on, open mesh channel 1. That's the standard setting, and this little green flashing light will let you know that the mesh intercom is on. Once your mesh intercom is on, your helmet will automatically seek out other Sena mesh devices that are in the same area and on the same mesh channel. If you get any interference from other riders who aren't in your group but are nearby and are on the same channel, you can change the mesh channel. To do so, tap the multifunction button 2 times. You'll go into channel selection mode, and you can scroll through the 1 to 9 channels using the plus or minus button. Once you end up on the channel that you'd like to select, tap the multifunction button once, and your channel will be set. Just make sure that the people that you're riding with also set their mesh network to the same channel so that you can all hear each other and ride connected. Another really cool feature about the S1 is the fact that it has this sleek integrated rear tail light. Personally, I really like this because I have a tendency to forget my bike lights at home, and especially when I ride till dusk, I know that I always have a rear tail light with me because I never forget to wear a helmet. To turn the light on, tap the light button, which is right below the multifunction button, and the light will turn on in the solid mode. Tap it a second time, and the light will come in night flash, and then tap it a third time, and the light will flash in day mode. Some of you might be concerned about your riding partners knowing that you're in the pain cave when you're huffing and puffing up a hill or pushing a lot of watts. Don't worry, because you can mute your mic. To mute your mic, press and hold the multifunction button for 1 second. To unmute your mic, press and hold that same multifunction button for 1 second. That's a pretty good trick, isn't it? So that's it for the S1. I am super excited about this helmet. If you have any questions, I'll leave a link in the video description below, and then you can get some tech support.